The main flower is assembled. After finished, what's next? Now, let's start crocheting the flower stem. The assembled flower stem. Now, attach it to the flower. This is the front. This is the back. This is the front. 2 thread ends. Then crochet from the flower base outward. Then from this side, crochet a stitch. After crocheting the yarn over, tie the 2 threads. Don't make it too tight. Tighten it more on the second round. Tighten it even more on the third round. Then trim the thread ends. Hide the yarn ends inside. Now it's all assembled.